Well, this is the camera in the iPhone and the sound from the iPhone, and let's check out. I got a little helping hand from my wife. She's the camera operator, and this is sound from the iPhone 15. And now I'm gonna switch so we can use the microphone and we can hear the difference. Now I'm using the app called Filmic Pro, or Filmic Legacy actually, because the Pro version I don't need the Pro version. But this is from the Røde NTG microphone, and I have a dead cat on the mic, so it's blowing quite windy now, and let's see if that's enough. And I'm gonna make one more take in another program from Røde called Capture. Now we're using the Røde Capture app. This is the most convenient app to use with this microphone. I'm looking very much forward to edit this in the DaVinci machinery and see what we can get out of it. I'm using the Røde video mic NTG in the Røde Capture, and I'm behind the microphone. The squeaking noises is from the stand, and now I'm gonna move on the side. Now I'm in the side of the microphone, and I'm not sure how it sounds, but it should cancellate a little bit sound from the side on the shotgun mic. So now I'm moving in front of the microphone. Now I'm talking towards the microphone. Still, this is the result. Now I'm moving away and talking while I'm moving. And now I'm coming up behind the mic. And voila, here I am behind the mic. Hello again. This is kind of follow-up from the last video, and I'm very impressed with this NTG mic from Røde, and now I'm recording to the field recorder, and it's a fabulous piece of kit. I heard someone say that this is kind of an overkill microphone for content creators. Well, okay, maybe it is, but the price difference is not that big. If you're serious about creating stuff, this mic is it's a no-brainer, and I'm gonna try it for a voiceover. I never did a voiceover in my life, but to all of you, this absolute marvelous microphone, and I think you owe it to yourself to invest in this kind of stuff if you're serious about what you're doing. I'm gonna try this out in different settings, and I think it's gonna be a killer in every way. Now I record to the Tascam and the camera, and we'll see which one I'm gonna choose. Maybe the camera is as good as the Tascam. I don't know. I could just say go get this microphone. It's fantastic. Bye.